Mic test.
Alright, so welcome to A to Z Diary. Well,
Diaries.
okay, diaries. So welcome to A to Z Diaries, where we will be sharing. Diretso ba ganun? Tama ba?
Hello, I'm Axel.
Oo.
Hello, I'm Zed.
Yeah, okay.
And welcome to
Yeah,
A to
okay.
Z's A to Z's
A to Z Diary.
A to Z
Diaries.
Diaries podcast.
A to Z Diaries.
Okay.
Okay. Hello guys, so I'm Axel.
I'm Zed.
And welcome to A to Z Diaries. So, ayun, ba't ba tayo nandito, be?
Bakit natin
Bakit
to ginagawa?
bakit ba natin 'to ginagawa? Why do we do this? So, the very reason why we do this podcast is because we wanna share our journey together with you guys. So, we wanted this to become a passion project and
Gusto nga talaga namin mag-share about the financial literacy, financial awareness, and adulting life in general. And that doesn't mean na expert kami agad. We just wanna share our journey.
and sabi nga natin, we wanted this to become our online diaries. So, yun. So, pakilala tayo, be. So, ako, I wanna start, no? So, I'm Axel. So, I'm 29 years old. I'm a breadwinner and I'm a graduate of accountancy. So, I used to work before as an accountant, but now I am working as a financial advisor and a manager in the Yellow Company, in an insurance company. Yon.
Yes.
Ikaw?
So, hello. I'm Zeth. I'm also a panganay, a breadwinner, a graduate of accountancy. I'm 29 years old. So, 28 pa lang pala ako, sorry.
Oo.
So, I'm also a graduate of accountancy and mapapansin nyo, pareho kami ni Axel. I'm 28 years old and I work now as a data analyst, but before I work as an accountant and now as a data analyst and a freelancer.
Yeah, so napansin nyo, parehas din kaming career shifter.
Yes.
Yes.
We will tackle that in our...
Later on, no, we are gonna be talking about it. So, before we start, gusto ko sana magkamustahan muna tayo, Zet. So, instead of the usual kamustahan that we're gonna be asking, kamusta ka na?
Kamusta na flower mo?
Kamusta yung flower ko? Um, let me ask this question na parang, how's your mental health?
Wow.
So, ikaw muna, Zet. How's your mental health?
Um, sobrang deep ng mental health like
Mhm.
na topic, because simple kamusta, sasabihin mo lang okay lang ako, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Pag mental health, kamusta mental health mo, mapapaisip ka talaga. So, for me, actually, I'm anxious now because of what's happening in the world.
Mhm.
um, with the oil price hike, the inflation, and yung war in Middle East, it makes me think about job security as well. So that's what make me anxious.
Mhm.
Ikaw ba? Kamusta mental health mo?
Ako, so far naman, medyo stable siya. But I'm in the verge of, feeling ko, nasa gitna ko ng surviving and thriving.
Mm-hmm.
Because, let's be honest, lately, parang ang hirap ng buhay in general. So, yun, I'm in that middle. But, of course, yung mental toughness natin, di ba, medyo matatag as a breadwinner. You don't have any choice at all. So,
Wala kang safety net.
yeah,
Ikaw
wala
yung
tayong safety
safety
net.
net.
Yeah, wala tayong safety net. So, kailangan natin hindi mag-mental-mental, di ba? But yun, I also try to, set a break for myself, yan, be easy on myself kasi at the end of the day, sarili ko yung asset ko eh. So if mapunta ako sa point na nasa down na down moments na ako, wherein nandun nga yung unhealthy mental health mo, mahihirapan din ako in the end. So, yun.
As a breadwinner, kailangan naka-schedule yung pagbe-breakdown mo.
I know.
Di ba?
Sobrang hirap, no? Parang nasa harap tayo ng, kunwari, ng client or ng work
Ng
natin, ng
meeting.
meeting, but later na lang.
Mm-mm.
Minsan tinutulungan ko yung sarili ko. Ikaw ba?
Ah?
Tinutulungan ko yung sarili ko to navigate or to release my emotion.
Paano?
Nanonood ako ng movie or series na may iyak
Oh,
ako.
sabi.
Para matulungan ko siya. So, malabas ko siya kasi ise-sked mo siya, eh. Hindi mo naman parang kurot-kurot yung sarili mo. Nasaan na yung gets ba? So,
Yeah.
parang that's what I do.